So hello guys, my name is Parvi Yadav and welcome to my channel. My channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to publish our Web 2.0 submission, Web 2.0 submission, article submission, blog submission. These three activity we have to do on that website. The website name is medium.com. So now I'm going to show you the process while logging. So you have to click first, you guys have to, this is a interface of the medium website, and I can going to show you the website traffic and the authority. So here it is guys, domain rating is 90%, 94, sorry, domain rating is 94. It will be a very good uh, uh, website authority to we have to build our backlink on that website. And I can show you the similarly the website traffic. So oh my god, the traffic is 138.6 million traffic this website having, and the traffic from USA, Canada, UK, and the Brazil and India. If you guys want to attract your attract a audience, users, that kind of countries, so you have to share your contents targeted these countries. Okay, so I have generated my content for the Canada based content. This is a recruitment agency in Maple Rights. Maple Right in based in Canada. So that's why I was decided to I can publish my content on that on this website and on a medium.com. So everything I hope so clear. I have made a clear for you. So now we can start. The first thing you have to click for the get started option. There the website can asking you for the email, sign up with email. So you have to easily have to click, and then you have to fill your email. Then after that the medium can send you the one message, one email. Okay, then you have to click to sign in to medium. Then you guys are easily able to see your profile. Okay, so once you guys can see this interface, then you have to click for the profile option, then you have to redirect for the profile. Okay, and now you have to click for the edit profile option. There is you have to update your brand name, brand image, and the bio. So okay, for the my case I can going to update my bio. So this is my slogan, recruiting and staffing solution. Okay, very good. Now I have to update these things. Okay, so our profile is updated. There is no any other additional information to you guys have to update. So now we can going to ignore these things. Then after that we can click for the right option. Okay, so here we have to choose our title. This is our title. Now we can close these things. Okay, so according to you, you guys have to optimize your title length, whatever kind of length you guys are wanting. Okay, so there you have to click, and then there is option to you guys have to update image, add you this website can also provide the services to you can update emails from UNS class, video, and any kind of embed you guys have to update. Okay, so now I can going to upload emails. Unlocking success. This is my image. Okay, so unlocking success, navigating Maple Rights best recruitment agencies. Okay, so we have successfully updated our image. Now we have to click, and then we can add a content. So I have already prepared this content. So make sure you guys have to prepare genuine content. Okay, so that would be give you a benefit. Okay, so now we can optimize our headings. Okay, so I'm going to change our heading in a S2 tag. Okay, basically this is a hierarchy process. To top up the content, you have to use a H1 tag. Then after that, you guys can use a S2 tag, and if possible, if any are heading coming on this heading, so you have to choose on a S3 tag. Okay, this is a simple S2 process. Okay, so we have optimized our headings. So now we can move forward for the backlinks. Okay, so landscape of Maple rides, best recruitment agencies. Best recruitment agency in Maple ride. Okay, so where we can get a backlink. So hope so we have a separate page for this location. Yeah. Why I have choose this pages for this keyword, because we have a separate location page for this keyword, so that's why I have picked this URL for the backlink. Okay, so this is our first backlink recruitment agency. Okay, recruitment agency in Maple, right? Rise. Not put our mm, recruitment agency. This is our first keyword. Now we can going to choose recruiter. Yeah, plain recruiters, agency, external agency recruitment agencies. Now here we have to give a backlink for the index page. Okay, so we have added two backlinks on this content. So what we can do next, AI driven candidate machine Maple Rise companies, Glen recruiters. Now we have to uh, take backlink from this keywords, because this is our brand name. So we have added three backlinks. Okay, uh, on that content. So now what I can do, I can going to uh, hiring trend agencies, navigating hiring trends, hiring 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 trends, hiring process. Yeah, so we have added a total four backlinks on this content. Okay, so our web 2.0 content, blog submission, and the article submission, whatever you want you can call according to you. So our process is completed now. Now we have to move forward for the publish option. Here we have to choose our topics. So recruitment agencies in Maple rights. So what tag must be 25 character. Recruitment agency Canada, recruitment recruitment company, recruitment agency company, HR, HR talent management, and yes, TAFFING staffing and recruiting. Okay, so we have picked our topics that would be going to help you for your article ranking. So our article is published now. Okay guys, so now I can going to show you in incognito tab. This is 100% live or not. So this is 100% live now. Okay, so you have to see this guys. This is 100% no peer UGC no follow backlink. But we can ignore these things because this website having a great authority and the great traffic. So that's how we can drive a traffic, massive traffic on our websites. Okay, and authority also. So now if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys have anything concern, any suggestion for me, so you have to share your thoughts on a comment section. Okay guys, and the my last it's a simple request, a little request for you. If you guys haven't subscribed my channel, so please, it's my request you have to subscribe this channel, because I'm a new and I wanted to do something, so that's why it's my little request for you. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.